Back up, you see it better. My heart's hurting. This is not normal. This is Armageddon. This has never happened here like this.
Yes, it has.
Name one time. Show me one video.
It's never happened at this house, but I've been in hell before.
It's never happened to me in my life.
Okay, well, you're not old enough to experience hell.
I'm not old enough. I'm almost 30.
Well, you should experience a little hell every once in a while. Oh, my God.
This is crazy! Father, I'm starting to swirl, you guys. Jesus Christ, please protect us in this house. This is crazy. Protect us, Lord. Close the door. That's lightning. We need to get now, Kelly, now. Oh my God, Lord have mercy on us.
Glad we got the trash out. Me too. Oh my goodness. Is that my truck going off? I thought it was TV, but I think it's your truck.
Did it stop?
No, it's not stopping.
It's rain.
I still see hail bouncing up and down on the grass.
Please forgive us. You'll get one, Spanky. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. They're hitting really hard. We need to get away from windows. Seriously, because they're falling in all directions. Look at that. Holy crap. Not holy crap, I'm sorry. Start praying again. Ooh. Have you seen anything like this? Oh, I haven't.
This is so accusatory.
Oh, that hit my car so hard.
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh.
Wow.
Oh, it came through the door. This is dangerous.
The hell came through the door? Get a picture of on the floor.
Where'd it go? I don't know where it went. No, I'm gonna get pelted in the head. Are you crazy? Oh my God, close the door. There's a tornado or something. That's coming in all directions. Look. Listen, just hush. Hear it.
Master, how do I get out of this position? A whole lot of days.
What's the thing to send this to the news?
I don't know.
You hear that?
Just about 30 to 40 minutes ago near North Park Center. You can see it's coming down quarter to $50. In some cases, small scale. On the North Park area, right at the ball, and we're skylights that were busted out. And certainly they travel on 75 there, Central Expressway. Just a mess with just an incredible hailstorm that continues its way across Dallas County, and another one coming through.
Oh my.
This is near the Lakewood area. Golf
I love how
balls
Spacey
down
follows
Parker.
through. It's
Appreciate
really bigger.
that Jennifer Ponder from
Wait,
University
uh-oh.
Park. Golf ball.
That's a big one.
That was a little bit bigger. Racquetball size scale, filling up the palm of her hand there. The warning has basically been consolidated.
Okay, go grab one.
And
let down.
So severe thunderstorm warning.
Need something long.
Dallas County for a while longer here with these cells.